Hello friends. Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana scheme is an initiative undertaken by Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas for providing LPG connections to women from below poverty line households, which was further extended to include all SC and ST households and forest dwellers. The main aim of this scheme is to replace the use of unclean cooking fuels, especially in rural India, with the clean and more efficient LPG and to cover 100% household with LPG connection. So, to know about these stocks which can benefit from this initiative, stay tuned with us till the last minute of this video where we have a surprise for you. The scheme has already provided LPG connections to more than 5 crore households and is expected to provide more 3 crore LPG connections. Now, what is the need for this scheme? In India, nearly 40% of the total households are deprived of LPG or clean source of household energy and rely on firewood, coal, dung cakes, etc. as primary source of cooking. So, dependence of households on unclean fuel caused alarming household pollution and adversely impacted the health of the women and children, causing severe respiratory ailments. As per WHO, smoke from unclean fuel is equivalent to burning 400 cigarettes an hour. So, what is the eligibility criteria for PMUY? The applicant should be a woman above the age of 18 and an Indian citizen. The applicant should belong to a BPL household with preference given to SC, ST and weaker sections of society. In addition to this, the government has expanded to include the following categories under the scheme. That is, the applicant or any member of the applicant's household should not own any LPG connection nor should be availing any other similar government schemes. The women applicant should have a saving bank account in any nationalized bank across the country to receive the subsidy amount. The name of the applicant must be in the list of SCCC 2011 data and should match with the information that oil marketing companies have in their BPL database. Priority would be given to the states which have lower LPG coverage compared to the national average. So now you must be wanting to know the stocks benefiting under this initiative, right? So to know that, you need to subscribe to Stockage app. Here, under the premium option, we have a ready watch list section which outlines some themes and stocks which can get impacted from various criterias like the government policies, the trade war, the monsoon, the crude, etc. Here, you can check all the scans which the stocks fall under, all the news flow in the outlined stocks, and any corporate announcements or corporate actions which have taken place for the stocks outlined. You can even check if any bulk or block deals have happened for the chosen stocks. All in all, you can have a 360-degree outlook on the theme that is playing out. So now, which stocks can generate the best return for you? So, to know that, we are giving you a coupon code which gives you free access for a month to our premium version of Stockage, where you can know all about the theme and the stocks benefiting under it. You can use it for a month and see its usefulness. Once you are assured of its benefits, you can extend your subscription and keep benefiting. So, what are you waiting for? Use the coupon code immediately and know the stocks which can give you the best returns under Stockage Premium version. Thank you.